My name is Rebecca and I'm the founder of Michelle Beats. Yeah, so basically today I want to show you recycled glass beads, what recycled glass beads are. Actually what I'm wearing they are recycled glass beads. These are made in Ghana by artisans. They are made by hand. So the finishing is actually it has a unique finish, which I believe you can see. Yeah. So what I'm wearing, as I said, is recycled glass bead, and it's made out of old bottles, like this wine bottle and this Coke bottle. Yeah. So this wine bottle, this bead was made out of this kind of bottle. You can see the color is the same. Yeah, so these are translucent beads. So this is a design that I made. It's a knotted necklace, like what I'm wearing. Yes, this is a knotted necklace, and it's very flexible. As you can see, it's very, very flexible. Yeah, today I'm not going to talk about, I'm not going to give you the history of the company, what it's about. I'm going to do that in another video. Today I just want to talk about recycled glass beads and show you what is made out of. So there are other recycled glass beads like this one, which is dyed. Actually, the technique they use to make this is different from this one. Yeah, this is made from white fine glass powder and dyed. I'm actually going to do another video where I'll show you in detail how these beads are made, but today I just want to introduce you to the recycled glass bead made in Ghana. Yeah, so these, as you can see, the translucent ones I put in between this necklace. Yeah, so these are made from Coke bottles. Yeah, so I have that here, the bead that was made out of recycled Coke bottles. Yeah, they do use other bottles as well, but I just brought these two bottles as examples of the kind of the glasses that they use to make these beads. Yeah. So that is it. There's another one. It's also a knotted necklace. Yeah, it's another one. So those of you who haven't followed us, the page on Instagram and Facebook, please do. So on Instagram, is Michelle Beats, and Facebook is Michelle Beats as well. And I'm going to do other videos where I'll show you my other designs, and I don't work alone. I do have other women that I work with. So as time goes on, I'll be showing you the behind the scenes, the other women that I work with, what the business is about. I'm going to show you in other videos, and from now on I'm going to do a lot of tutorials using these beads. Yeah, I'm going to do other tutorials using these beads, and I'm going to show you other ones as well. I mean, when it comes to handmade recycled glass beads made by artisans in Ghana, I mean, it's a lot. It's very interesting getting to know how these are made, and you really appreciate these beads when I introduce you to the techniques that they use to make these. Yeah, so I do have other old bottles. I mean, I have bottles which are over 5 years that I want to turn into beads. So I will do a video about that as well. So I'm going to do other interesting videos, so watch out. Yeah, so I want to remind you to follow us on other social media pages, Instagram and Facebook, and those who haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do. Thanks for watching.